Right now, one single waterway just shut down the entire forex market, and most traders don't even understand why. What's going on? I mean, they don't even understand how this is affecting the market. Listen to me. If you're trading right now and you're ignoring this, then trust me, you're trading blindly. The Strait of Hormuz controls almost 20% of the world's market when it comes to the oil. This very route is one of the most important routes in the world as I'm talking to you right now, and was just shut down against the tension that escalated between US and Iran. This very tension you're seeing, the news that is going on, is affecting the financial market greatly. Yes, this is not politics. Let me be very honest to you. What is going on is not just politics. It is money flowing. I mean, money flowing. Why do I say so? Because nearly 20% of the world oil passes through this very route every day. Like, this is just what happened. So if this should close, even if it's temporary, then something very, very dangerous is happening. What's going to happen? Oil supply will drop. So once oil supplies drop, guess what happens in the price? The price will suddenly spike up instantly, whether you are ready or you're not ready. Yeah, check the prices of oil. It's going to increase. That's the first thing. Now, this is not just affecting people that are using oil alone, it also affects people's decisions in the market. Because once the prices of oil increases, inflation increases. So government will be trying to manage the inflation. At the same time, fear, panic will increase in the market. This is a big problem. So once fear arises, the market will move immediately in an aggressive manner. Yes, aggressive manner. This is what you're actually going to experience. Market is going to move very fast. So now, here's what smart traders will be watching out for. Smart traders will be watching out for movement in the market. Movement that is flowing into safe haven currency. Safe haven currencies like USD and JPY. So smart traders will be watching out for this. At the same time, risk currency will also be hit seriously. So what is happening at the Strait of Hormuz is not something traders like you and I should just ignore and just start trading randomly. No. That's why you're going to experience sudden spike. You're going to experience fake breakouts. It's going to happen in the market. You're going to see all of this unpredictable move in the market. Now note, this is not random. This is fear-driven liquidity movement in the market. So as a trader, you are expected to understand that when geopolitical events like this is going on, as a trader, you need to have a better understanding that it's going to affect the market. So as a trader, what should you do? Right now, you don't trade like see the market is normal. Because my mentor used to say that they don't catch fish on a clean water. I'm talking about Robert T. Kiyosaki. In one of his books, Fake, he said that you don't catch fish in clean water. You only catch fish in muddy water. So since you only catch fish in muddy water, whenever the water is muddy, people have an opportunity to catch enough fish. Currently, the financial market water is muddy, highly muddy, because there are a lot of things you're going to experience that's supposed not to happen, and they will happen. So as a trader, you need to watch out for the strength of USD, because it's going to affect other currency pairs. You're going to affect the movement. You're going to watch out for the movement of gold. So watch out for gold's movement. Watch out for the direction of oil. As these problems keep escalating, if they don't stop it very fast, it's going to affect the market even more. So because of that, you need to watch out everything, because gold, USD, and oil control large decisions in the market. Why do we say so? Because if you are an investor, you want to put your money where you know is safe. Am I correct? So I drop updates like this. If you know you want daily breakdown like this, where I'll show you exactly how to trade the global events, then consider subscribing to this channel, consider following me, and stay tuned, because tomorrow's updates might change your entire strategy.